goods. Kuha ko na yung ID. Now I'm going to see the lotus blossoms. Layo pa na. And I'm hungry. Look at those cars. Gusto nyo run. Tortured egg. Okay. Punta ko. Ay, arts. Ang diba? Napaka-performative. After nung run. Ito siya museum. Ang cool nung art style. So, tiglakad ako, diba? Namatay yung phone ko, so na-pause yung Strava. Pero bumili ako nito. And I'm gonna eat lunch. Hello! Ay! Anong feeling na palaging suspended? Ha? Ayan na. Sa puti ka idol. Nalawag ako.
Narinig yung ano mo. Pagkabasa.
A day in a life. O ba Yuki? Hindi niya gusto.
First thing na ginawa mo sa umaga, nag-exam, after gumastos, after nag-rally. Ay, hindi natin sila kung ang ganda na no. Like, mag-treat mo.
After iiyak sa sangkin. Charis, hindi. Not clear. Oh, may balon. Balon to.
What's in my bag? What's in my bag? Gastos wala tayo. Ang haba niya pala.
Ayun na. Wow. Init.
Negosante ng bayan! Ngayon ay lumalaban! Negosante ng bayan! Ang tao! Ang bayan! Ngayon ay lumalaban! Ang tao! Ang bayan! Makibaka! Huwag matakot! Huwag matakot!
Or understand this one. Pero parang complex version lang siya ng mga siyang small lahat ng firms and they
Bibili ako ng calculator dahil bawal yung scientific. Ito.
gusto nyo? Pinaka-cute? Okay. Okay. All right, everybody, stand up. You're going to go. The people are going and come.
Dalawa pa, isa.
The teaching fellows want to discuss who is masyadong maraming choices kasi eh.
It's 5:40 a.m. and paninindigan natin ang pagiging vlogger. May culminating activity kami sa PE and tatakbo kami ng 5K. But start niya is 6 o'clock and probably 7. But I also have a 7 a.m. class and I have an 8:30 class. Wish me luck.
Uwi ka pa muna, ano, Rihanna, or
Yeah.
ka ng film?
Uwi mo na, naliligo pa ako. Tsaka hindi naman maaga ngayon. Na-cancel yung econ class kahapon. So like, may makeup class kami ngayon. And I'm hungry na. And it's still isa't kalahating oras pa. I'm gonna walk to our building.
Scary naman. Sa likod kaya, may daan.
Yeah, library hopping pa sila.
Ito yung pinaka-peaceful na library. Pag punta ka kasi PLC, tingin yung mga tao din.
Simba after ng gabi ng LET. Pa rin. Nagsisimula na tayo misa.
It's just...
I'm getting ready papunta sa Bar Boys and look at that! Woo! I reheated it and it's so much better. Butter Boys, yeah.
Pero before matter, kung gusto mo kasi mo para hindi ka ma-charge. Kasi may rules dun eh.
Oo nga.
Pag ginagawa.
Po.
Sige, sige.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm here. This is my supposed college, Leong Hall. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Going in. Hihintay na lang mag-start. Hihintay na lang mag-start.
Their graduates, their accounting graduates go on to be, accountants. They really do public practice. Pero kayo, you're not even BA. So, I doubt very much any of you will go into accounting, that you will do for a living notes and credits. But it's important to know it so that you can understand. I'm sure you will all, I'm 100% sure all of you will be given a financial statement at some point in your life and asked. Okay? So, you can't read it if you don't know how it was built. So that's why I think you need the debits and credits. But I would be very surprised if one of you came back to me and said you're really actually doing the general journal and the ledger for a company. As a stepping stone. But, so a company I used to work for, they would hire, pag hindi ka accountant, start ka sa accounting to understand before you can go up in, like a finance manager or finance. Kasi wala. Diyan ka muna papasok. But
Time check. Done. I'm gonna sleep na. KK.
Statue on the pedestal are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively.
And the same.
Ako, last ko. Friday, parang ito.
Judy? Okay na. Yung question na lang.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
My dirty mouth. I did not expect you to hear that, and I asked you to not hear it. But anyway, it was a lovely journey with you. I hope you learned your lessons, and it seems you have. 12 days of Christmas. So think about it. That's my message. Think about it. All right? Make your life choices, but think about it. Think fast. Think. You have a particular ability to think because you are scholars ng bayan. And I want you to think about this last thing. Love is a decision. You may not know it, in the spirit of it, but love is always a decision. And I want you to think about loving your country and what that means. Merry Christmas to all of you.
Hi, Cassie! Pipilitin kong mag-focus sa pamamagitan ng pagka-cramp. Kaya gagawin ko yung extra na takbo sa PE. Minutes ba? Masusuka na ako. Friday. May dalawa akong exam ngayon. T-1 hour math. Daan sa group. Pero legit hindi ko alam kung paano ko naaabot yung mga ginagawa, mga score ko.
Ewan ko sa kanya. Ang bait niya masyado eh. Diba? Ewan ko paano ako nakapasa pero mali-mali naman sagot ko. Tama lang yung proseso.
Thank you so much, Group 1, right? Group 2. Okay, thank you so much. That's a very good presentation. Do we have?
Will culture still integrate food? Because like just when I say like from the very beginning of this movie, I'm talking like hindi talaga. So will food.
And before you ask a question, there's another thing that you have to do first. You have to admit that you don't know. To my mind, admitting that you don't know is an act of humility. Kung sinabi natin hindi alam, that's letting go of our pride and saying, okay, I'm willing to learn, and I don't know. So, in every study that you're going to do, in every inquiry that you're going to proceed with, mahalaga yung humility na yun. Yung admitting that we don't know. In addition, I think another thing that we have shown in critical thinking, at least in the software analysis, is clarity matters. Okay? Something I appreciated in your presentations is that malinaw yung argument. You fleshed out the argument, malinaw yung terms. Okay? So yun naman yung gusto natin dito. Clear and distinct way of talking about things. Right? Sabi nga ni Wittgenstein, whatever can be said clearly. So to me, I think that's important. To think critically, we have to think clearly. Okay? And finally, I think an important aspect of critical thinking is our capacity to follow where the inquiry leads us. Hindi tayo susunod ng inquiry, hindi tayo gagawa ng facts. Susunod natin, paniniwalaan natin yung facts. like follow where the inquiry leads us. And this avoids possibilities of governance. We're always open to the possibility of being wrong. We're always open to the possibility of revising our beliefs. After all, we're fallible human beings. Kasi hindi tayo capital. Okay? Our knowledge, at least in the past, makikita natin, they're always being revised. Okay? And to my mind, that's an important aspect of thinking critically. We admit that we are mere fallible human beings, capable of being wrong. So hopefully, I'm not saying that those are sufficient conditions, I'm saying that those are necessary. Hopefully, even after the course, you think of those conditions. Like humility, admit when you don't know, ask questions, clarity, okay? Be clear with the terms that you're going to use, be clear with your arguments, and finally, be open to where the inquiry leads. Okay, so thank you so much for the semester. I really appreciate all the points.
Pero nag-1K pa siya, diba?
Yeah. So like, parang mas matindi yung ngayon. Madami daw nag-complain. Ganito pala sa Paramount. Walang room. Bilis ni sir, nandun na siya sa kabilang
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
7 na, diba? 7:15.
Yeah. How do you feel?
So, may mag-oral exam.
You're either not strong. You're either not strong or not. No.
This is yung fourth exam. I don't know if I bombed it or not. One thing's for sure, magtitake pa rin ako ng finals. Next week. Next Sunday.
Hi. Lost. Munti lang yung joggers ngayon. Tapos, malamig. Parang random mo na bare months. So, ngayon, pupunta ako sa simbahan. Yes. Sure. Fit.
May picture tayo.
After this.
Ikaw Rihanna, testing kita kung sweet ka talaga.
Hala. Parang dyan pa lang sa math. Na ano eh, kahit pasang awa, okay lang. Pero like, yung final sa econ, parang scared. Last exam sa BA. Friday. Second to the last final exam.
So, tonight ang tapos. Wala sa mga hindi nakakuha. You rate yourself 1 to 10. Then yung dalawa. Pagpalapakan natin yung mga nakakuha ng 21. Nauna yung hiwa bago yung
Tinanggap ko na wala na ako na-absorb. Like, I just need 6 points to pass. Yeah. 4 incentives.
Sweet treat of final.
Weh?
Last day na lang.
Hindi ko din expect na sobra ako magpapipinsa.
So, uwi na ako. Yes. And the sem is officially done. 11:51 and I'm clutching. Ika-clutch natin tong last requirement para sa PE. Okay. It used to be my everyday no online class and I'm actually scared right now. Please. Oh my gosh. Hala. Gumana ka. Gumana ka. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ngayon gawin tayo ng side quest. Nanonood tayo ng thesis presentation ng BA Film Student. Oh. First, sa sunod ng ikot.